everyone, so today I have got a mystery box unboxing here, or a bag or something. It comes in a lovely like little confetti bag. This is from Give Me Cosmetics. I have worked with Give Me Cosmetics around Christmas time of like a review on their shampoo and conditioner, which I love by the way, but I bought this with all my own money, vice versa. It was a long time ago when I did work with them on a video. Yeah, this mystery box bag cost me £10 and I just could not wait to unbox it. So I am unboxing it with just my eyebrows on, a no makeup day basically, but I don't have my eyebrows on, so yeah, so bear with me on my no makeup day, but we should embrace our natural skin more often. Yeah, so this cost £10, so let's see whether, sorry, my hair is driving me nuts lately, it needs cut. So let's see whether this is worth £10. I can't remember what it said it was meant to be worth, like value wise, but I know this cost me £10 and I paid £4 shipping. Yeah, I'll put it on the screen if it says it's worth a certain amount, but let's just see what's in it. So it's got a few goodies. So first things first, we have got an eye mask, and it says, are you okay, hun? Which is actually like a Geordie word. Well, we say hun a lot, like in messages, hun, honey. So yeah, that's quite fun actually. So yeah, I quite like that. I love an eye mask. I sleep with an eye mask every night. I will say this feels a little bit of a small eye mask. Yeah, it doesn't feel the thickest quality out like that, but it's nice. I would just choose others over this. This definitely probably won't be one that I keep for myself. Next item is a face mask. Oh, it's a collagen sheet mask. You need collagen in your face. The Ultimate Face Fix Collagen Sheet Mask, made with collagen to restore skin's elasticity, strengthen and texture with lasting hydration. And so that is it there. It's like a single use sheet mask, and it's got till next year 2023, which is fab, so it's not close to going out of date or anything like that. Next we have got the Give Me Cosmetics Bubble Mask. This is a deep cleansing, detoxing, exfoliating mask. It says massage a generous amount of the mask evenly to your face, avoiding contact with eyes and lip. Leave to develop for 8 minutes and then massage the bubbles. I am very excited about this. I think I'm going to try this with my friends. Yeah, I really like this. Yeah, that is a good size and all. It's like 80 ml, so it's not like a single use product or anything like that. Okay, next is something I'm actually going to gift to my niece because I think she needs this in her life. It is a scrubber for your skin. It is basically what you use to get your fake tan off. You put your hand in it and it's basically just like an exfoliating glove but for fake tan. Yeah, I think this is definitely going to be for my niece because she needs that in her life. We've got a couple more products. The next thing we've got is the Give Me Mango and Passion Fruit Hair Mask. I've actually got this. It's really nice. This is just like a single use sachet version of it, but this is actually a really nice hair mask. I have got a bigger one of it. And then we've got the Give Me Eye Patches. This is just like eye patches for underneath your eyes and stuff like that. I think that's really fab, to be honest. Yeah. It says improves appearance of bags, firm under eye area, elevates eye fatigue and reduces fine lines. Then we got last two more products. The first one is the Give Me Cosmetics Lip Scrub in Candy Floss. Should I open it and have a smell? Let's have a look. This Candy Floss sounds really nice. Yeah, that smells like 100% Candy Floss. That is actually crazy. And then we have got the Vanilla Lip Balm. Yeah, and that smells like vanilla. 100% vanilla. Yeah, I really think I like this box. Like, impressions, we've gotten 1, 2. We've got 8 items. The only gripe I will say, I feel like this eye mask, well, not the only gripe, I'm going to say the gripes I have. The eye mask is it feels quite cheap. This, I feel like, since you're getting this, I think you should have got fake tan, my opinion, because then what is the purpose other than that? We got quite a few masks. Overall, it's alright. It's not something I'd rush out and get again. But I definitely think I got 10 hours worth. But it's not something like I'm like, wow, I got an absolute bargain, do you know? And I just feel like this eye mask is a bit cheap feeling. And this, I feel like we should have got fake tan with us getting the fake tanny scrubber thing. But overall, it's a good box. It's just like, it's not a wowing box in my opinion. Especially after I've just unboxed the 2 Beauty Bay boxes, which were like really good. Do you know what I mean? So, but this was only a tenner as well. And it came with this little box, which I'm actually going to use as a little gift for my friend Sarah. I'm going to put her presents, some of her presents in this, because I like, that's like a little gift box. So yeah, I'm going to do that. But overall, it was canny. I wonder if boxes differ and stuff like that. But yeah, it's not something I feel like I would rush out and get. But if they done another one in a couple of weeks' time or a couple of months' time, I'd get another one to see if it varied. But yeah, what do you guys think? And anyways, yeah, Advent calendar is coming Advent calendar season is coming so soon. So I'm so excited about that. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. And anyways, if you like these type of videos, I would love if you subscribe down below. I do lots of unboxings, mystery box unboxings, beauty box unboxings, Advent calendar unboxings, and then I have a little bit of beauty sporadically put through. I do a bit of everything, but unboxings and things like that is like the main purpose of this channel. Yeah, but I hope you enjoyed this, and anyways, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.